Day 30 of Forge keyboard updates every day until the product ships. Today let's do an assembly of an exoskeleton base plate along with the slotted and bookend rails. The key plate will actually be machined out of aluminum, but for this assembly we're going to try this carbon fiber infused PLA just because it's faster to make, and this should be sufficient to help us to test fitment. About having a light from the switchboard PCB come through here so that this Forge logo here will be backlit. Let me know your thoughts about that, if that's something you'd like to see in the final product. Bada boom! Guys, we're only on day 30 of this journey, but I just want to thank you all so much for your support, because we are probably within 1 month of launching the official campaign for the Masters Forge. It's looking great. These protected USB-C ports that you guys are really excited about in the comments seems to be working quite well. You can either bail that up inside of this inner lip, or you can pull the slack out of your shoulder port as well as your rear port here, so that you don't have any cable sticking out of the side device whenever you mount your electromechanical bolt-ons to these rails here. There's a couple decisions I need your help on today. We already have sliding mounting holes so that this bookend rail on the side can be mounted here or here. We're also thinking about adding one right here, and then adding a third hole right here so this could pivot and be mounted here, or like this. Yes, that would cover the logo, but you know, we're not conceited like that. I guess we're okay with covering the logo, or we could just keep it clean on the top. So lots of options there. I know some people might want to do like palm rests or, you know, palm activated buttons, but maybe that can work from the side too. So we'll work with that. The other decision that I'd love your feedback on is if we want to have this logo be backlit or not. There's enough space here where we could have like a little acrylic disc as well as a JLC or a DuPont to run an LED underneath and light that up. But I don't know, let me know what you guys think about that. Remember, this whole exoskeleton is going to be metal, and the edge details are just looking freaking awesome. I cannot wait to see this out of metal. Oh my gosh, it's going to be pretty. You guys think this looks good? You ain't seen nothing yet. The final thing is going to be beautiful. So one, do you want the top to be completely clean with the logo, or do you want optional mounting holes for bookend rails? And two, would you like for the logo to be backlit, or do you just want perhaps a contrasting color or something more subtle? Let me know in the comments. Thanks to you guys, we've just passed our $25,000 funding goal, which means we've been able to start production of the Ergo bolt-ons. I'll show you guys that full process next week, as well as a sample of some of those parts that have already come off the line. They are looking great, working great, and I can't wait to share that with you. Thank you guys so much.